It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning, very early for this part of political Delhi. Dr. Manmohan Singh has been up and about. He's had his morning walk. He's even begun reading the press clippings of the day. But then Manmohan Singh is not your conventional politician. We in fact wanted to join him on his early morning walk, but he said that was a very private affair, a chance for him to reflect on the day ahead. Well, let's go and meet this very private individual who's now very much in public life.
कैसे है लाइट बंद कर दो मेरे ख्याल में यू डोंट नीड अ लाइट
I didn't know it gets so light so early because I didn't get up so early. File a nomination, fight a Lok Sabha election.
Well, I'm looking forward to it.
Is this something that you planned never in life?
Never, honestly, never. As I said, I did not plan a political career, but accidents happen in life.
So when you were invited in 91 by Narasimha Rao for the
Yes.
first time to become finance minister, were you apprehensive at that time as to what you were getting into?
Well, of course, I was apprehensive, but also I was, I think, pleased. I was apprehensive because I was a newcomer to the world of politics, and I knew what goes on, I think, in the political world, intrigues, conspiracies. I had no liking for that. But I felt at a time when our country was in great economic difficulties, I had something to offer which might help to get the country moving once again, and fortunately it worked that way.
सिंधी ब्रेकफास्ट खा लीजिए आप
Ma'am, won't you join us?
it's a little too early for me
Oh, you don't.
see I do have breakfast but he has to go so that is the
I was
reason.
asking him earlier that he said as to how he's adjusted to politics, but more importantly, how y'all have adjusted to him
yeah I
in
know
politics.
it's not easy
But even the discipline of breakfast at a particular time, lunch at a particular time.
Well, I think that unfortunately in politics, I think, is a casualty, that sort of discipline.
Because food is now, there's an increasing trend is white meat only and no red meat.
I don't eat normally meat,
Oh, you prefer vegetarian?
but I am vegetarian at home. But I'm not, I think, imposing a moral code, vegetarianism versus non-vegetarianism. I think people must make those intelligent choices, and I think medical science also is now coming to the conclusion that in many ways, I think a vegetarian diet is superior to, I think, a diet heavily laced with meats for purposes of maintaining one's health also.
Isn't there a major problem in this country that, I mean, you have a meeting, you ask for a meeting when you were finance minister, 10 o'clock, people arrive at 10:20, don't seem to think that they've done.
But normally, whenever I have a meeting to go to, I turn up in time. I think even in a party for us, I think you can set the clock by my arrival there. I insist, and that sometimes shames people. But I can't really force everybody, for example, to fall in line.
This whole chalta hai attitude must be, doesn't it trouble you that, we
It does trouble
take
me.
time for granted almost?
As I said, I think we as a nation don't value time as we should value it.
Well, breakfast is over. Dr. Singh has gone to change from his skates, which he went for on his morning walk, to more traditional political footwear, because he's having now his first political engagement of the day. The Delhi Pradesh Congress is having a Gandhi Smarak March, and when you're the candidate from South Delhi, you have to be present at it. It's the first of what will be an increasingly public profile that Dr. Singh will adopt in the coming days in the run-up to this election.
बच्चों को सही रिटर्न करके इधर बच्चों को घुमा के ले आओ ना इधर
Madam, flag. It's very interesting. Whenever Sonia Gandhi is here at a public appearance like this, Manmohan Singh is usually at her side. That's perhaps a message that both she and the Congress are trying to send out to the voter in this election. That Manmohan Singh very much is now perhaps number 2 in this Congress hierarchy.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो।
तो हमें तो बड़ी खुशी हुई जिस वक्त आपको के बारे में हमने देखा।
हम सबके वाला हाजिर हैं हर चीज़ के लिए।
जिस तरह की कोई खिदमत हो, हमारा सारा इलाका ओखले का, जाकिर नगर और अबुल फजल तमाम बटला हाउस सबका सब बेहद खुशी महसूस कर रहे हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब हमारा सर पर
कभी किसी के पास नहीं गए आज तक।
मैं एक नया रिश्ता इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लोगों से कायम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी कोशिश होगी कि ये रिश्ता जब तक मैं ज़िंदा हूँ कायम रहे।
कल वो फोन पे कल
Is that a deliberate impression sometimes that you give that you're in the system but still out of it?
No, I am in the system. I think, as I said, I came from outside the system. I'm wanting to become a part of the system. That transition takes time, but I think it is taking much smaller time than I had assumed.
People even saying that Manmohan Singh could be a prime ministerial candidate of the Congress.
Well, as of now, I'm only a candidate for South Delhi parliamentary constituency. Nothing beyond that.
All the South campus youth आपको ऑर्गेनाइज करना है। आप समझे ना, और आपको ये करना है। अच्छा, ये आप अभी खत्री भी है, इनके बेटे हैं। अच्छा, ये आप पूरा तिलक नगर के ये आप ये सब
मैं आप सबका बहुत ही आभारी हूँ कि आप इस समय पे जब आज़ादी का दिवस मना रहे हैं तो आपने मुझे अपने बीच आने का अवसर और निमंत्रण दिया। मैं यहाँ कोई पॉलिटिकल बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी बात नहीं करना चाहता। मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमारे देश को अगली सदी में एक विशाल शक्तिशाली देश के रूप में हमें प्रकट करना है और उसके लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि देश में सांप्रदायिक भाईचारा बना रहे। देश में एक ऐसा वातावरण पैदा करें विकास का, सांप्रदायिक सद्भावना का, जिससे कि हमारे देश में एकता बढ़े और देश की एकता और अखंडता की हिफाजत रक्षा हो सके।
मैं साहब को टाइम ले लेंगे सारा दिन टाइम।
So are you very conscious of being a Sikh, of your Sikh identity?
No. I have never believed in these identities. This is not to say that I am not proud to be a Sikh. I feel take great pride of being a Sikh. We are proud of our heritage, and it is a heritage which strengthens my Indianness.
Are you very religious, deeply religious in that sense?
Well, as I say, I do believe in God. I think offer certain prayers, but I don't believe in making use of religion for political purposes.
Are the scars of the 1984 anti-Sikh riots still fresh in that sense? Do you
Well,
think,
let me say, I think those things should have never have happened. Those were shameful things that happened.
you think the Congress party has learnt its lessons
Yes,
from
I
1984?
Well, I am not saying that the Congress party as a party was involved. Individuals may have involved, but there were other people, I think, of other parties. There are a lot of complaint that many of the RSS people were involved. I am not accusing any one of them. I think those are individuals. It was never the party policy of the Congress party, for example, to do any such thing.
अरे ले लो. Take the nice photograph. How are you? Come.
You've done this number of times. What's your advice to a first timer?
Respect your butler, is a VIP. Respect him, give him his due regard, and he will come to you. And every vote counts, don't think it's co-voting.
The shortest margin in a Lok Sabha is 17 votes. So,
What do you mean?
That's in Bihar.
मेरा डंडा ही लग सकता मैं हैंड कर लूँ हाथ पुट्ठा करता जे
the process of filing nominations is one of the great rituals of Indian politics, a chance for supporters to feel that they are bonded with their candidate as they come out to celebrate with him in what's almost a festive atmosphere. For Dr. Manmohan Singh, of course, this is a novel experience, but somewhere down the line, I think he's rather enjoying it. Do you think he's enjoying it?
Yeah, I think so.
He's enjoying it.
And she takes it in a stride.
But he's taken the plunge, there's no turning back now.
Of course.
Why don't
But you've lost him to the hurly-burly of politics now.
He has been serving the country. He doesn't know much about the family. That's my department. But they have
Tired, sir?
No, I think I'm not tired.
You've taken the plunge.
Yes, it's a first step.
What are you going to miss the most as you sort of...
I've always enjoyed going to the Himalayas, I think, particularly the Ganga Valley. In the old days, I used to like Simla very much, which is now too crowded.
Are you a trekker?
I'm not a trekker, but I like to watch the mountains in all their majesty.
Although Dr. Singh won't admit it, he is a bit tired. He's going to take a bit of a nap. He's going to have those chapatis that he says, a light lunch. It's hot this August here in Delhi. So we're going to have a bit of a lunch, maybe even a bit of a snooze, because Dr. Singh has very kindly offered to put us up in his study. And then we'll join him on his evening campaign trail. He's going to start with a couple of meetings this evening.
मैं आप सबका बहुत आभारी हूँ कि आपने मुझे आपके बीच आने का एक मौका दिया और जो कुछ मैंने आज यहाँ देखा है उससे मुझे पूरा विश्वास हो गया है कि ये चुनाव जो दो विचारधाराओं का चुनाव है, जो दो विचारधाराओं के दरमियान जो टकराव है उस बात का फैसला करने मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ। मैं इलेक्शंस के बारे में पहली बार इस
रेस में आया हूँ, मुझे इलेक्शन लड़ने का तजर्बा नहीं है। आप कांग्रेस के वर्कर्स हैं, ये इलेक्शन आप ही ने लड़ना है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप इसमें मेरी सहायता करेंगे। जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
South Delhi is a predominantly Punjabi constituency that was represented in the last two elections by the BJP's Sushma Swaraj. Ms. Swaraj is not contesting this time. Her place taken by a senior BJP Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. V.K. Malhotra. The BJP claims that Dr. Singh is an outsider in this constituency. Dr. Singh, though, is trying to rise above the debate, he claims, by focusing on his public record, especially that as finance minister. Competence, he claims, is his unique selling point.
आज हमारी सरहदें महफूज नहीं है, सुरक्षित नहीं है। आज भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था उतनी मजबूत नहीं है जितनी होनी चाहिए। दिल्ली की जनता की खास तौर पे कुछ समस्याएं हैं। मैं जानता हूं यहाँ बिजली के काम में सुधार आने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। पिछले 8 महीनों में कांग्रेस सरकार दिल्ली में पूरी ईमानदारी से इन बातों से निपटने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है।
कार्यकर्ता इस बात का हाथ खड़े कर डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी को विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि जनकपुरी विधानसभा से हम भारी बहुमतों से आपको चुनाव जिताएंगे। डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह और
आप आए हैं तो इसलिए मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ। और
फिर आएंगे जरूर आएंगे।
मीटिंग
We beat you back home, sir.
बेटे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। I can never repay this.
अपने थले रखोगे चलना जी।
नहीं ठीक है बेटे,
पहचान लो, आइडेंटिफाई कर लो।
नहीं मैं
ठीक है बेटे, अच्छा पापा जी।
What's been the most difficult part? Was it the public speaking?
No, public speaking, but you know the physical, getting into that office, it was real, I think, stampede. I think
on the nomination this thing.
Yes.
Tell me, 8 years, we discussed this in the morning.
Yes.
8 years ago when you actually were made finance minister, did you ever think it would this is where it would culminate?
I thought I wouldn't last as finance minister for a long time. After many people make determined effort to dislodge me also.
Critics would say that you compromised to survive, you compromised on
What compromise?
You compromised, you see, also on academia. You were always in academia. Do you miss that academia?
I miss that very much because I no longer, I call myself an extinguished economist. People call me a distinguished economist. I said I am a distinguished, an extinguished economist.
So, extinguished economist, hopefully a distinguished politician.
That's very kind of you to say so.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving us all this time and giving us a peep into your life. We'll leave you, sir. It's a long day. Well, it's close to 11 o'clock. It's been a long day, a long campaign day for Dr. Manmohan Singh. But it's all part of his learning experience as he tries to make this transition from scholar administrator to a vote-gathering mass politician. Can he make this transition? Well, we'll let the voter decide. After 24 hours with Dr. Manmohan Singh, this is Rajdeep Sardesai for the Star News Channel.